You're sweating profusely, your heart is racing, and your head is pounding. Between the episodes of vomiting, all your body does is shake as you try and catch your breath. What you want more than anything is to end this pain and suffering with the quick injection of a needle. To satisfy what your body craves more than anything: heroin. Millions of people across the United States battle with drug addiction. Those who realize they have a problem, whether prompted by family or just as a result of self-actualization, seek treatment at a variety of facilities located all over the country. One such place is the Keenan House, located on South 6th Street in Allentown. The Keenan House is Allentown's first ever residential program for drug addicts. It is one section of Treatment Trends Incorporated, which includes 3 other divisions: Confront, a transitional living recovery house, and the Richard S. Sandy Recovery Home and the Halfway Home of the Lehigh Valley, which are both halfway houses for those in recovery. Treatment at the Keenan House combines habilitation, psychoeducation, and therapy in an effort to cure the addict. The programs emphasize the importance of becoming a positive member of the community, as well as the need to accept personal responsibility for one's own actions, a forefront in the battle against drug addiction. Recently, however, government funding was significantly decreased, and the Keenan House's ability to accept patients in desperate need of treatment was put in jeopardy. Nationwide, half of the people seeking help are turned away for lack of treatment funds for desperately needed staff. Don't the people battling this disease, the people like my 24-year-old brother, deserve to receive treatment in rehabs across the nation? The addict who is experiencing symptoms of withdrawal desperately needs help and support that can only be offered in a place like the Keenan House. Their mission statement is to dedicate their services to alleviate community problems of addiction, crime, and violence. Shouldn't the government be attempting to help the addicts in need of treatment in order to keep them off the streets and from contributing to drug-related crimes? How many lives have to be lost in order for drug rehabilitation to become a priority?